BMM 4432 Operations Management. So in this module, it talks about operations management. Operations management is a field of study and business activity that plays an important role in securing long-term profitability, superior performances, and competitive advantage. The module incorporates studies of operations management and strategy, which allow to direct, design, and manage processes, resources, information technology, and people to ensure the most effective and efficient production of products and services. The operations management module also includes quality assurance, control, and continuous improvement methods techniques, as well as performance management system approaches underpinned by evidence-based business decision-making, which allow business and organizations to achieve world-class performance. This module is designed to provide students with a contemporary and comprehensive understanding of key aspects of operations management and strategy from a global perspective. This course content covers 4 major areas of operations management. The first one will be directing, by understanding the nature and role of operations management in modern business environment, defining operations strategy within context of services and manufacturing. Second, designing, so products and services and process design. The third one, delivery or managing, through planning and control of supply and demand, capacity, inventory, supply chain relationships, forecasting, lean operations, project management. Development, improving, measurement of performance, total quality management and other QA systems, tools and techniques, and continuous improvement. On successful completion of the module, students will be able to assess the role of operations management in a modern customer and business environment, demonstrate understanding of product and process design and its connection with operations management performance indicators, explain and apply planning and control techniques for the operations management function, explain and demonstrate the techniques for operation improvement and failure prevention, select and apply appropriate operations management techniques, theories, and models to aid problem solving and decision making. Here comes to some brief summary of each chapter. The first one is Introduction to Operation Management, Business Strategy and Customer Orientation. In the first chapter, it will go through what is operations management, operation management implements, and operations management 3 driving factors. In Lecture 2, it covers operation strategy and customer business context. Upon successful completion of Chapter 2, our students should be able to define the term operation strategy, develop an operation strategy using the model provided, explain the concept of trade-offs in operations management, explain how the product lifecycle might inform operation strategy, and discuss the utility of generic operation strategies. Chapter 3 is about innovation. Upon successful completion, students will be able to define what innovation is within the context of operations management, identify different types of innovation, distinguish between the process of innovation and the outcome of innovation process, explain how organizations can harness innovation both strategically and operationally, discuss where innovations come from, appreciate the importance of innovation to contemporary organizations. Chapter 5 is about product and service design. Upon successful completion, students will be able to explain new product development process, discuss the role of platform strategies in managing product variety, assess how products can be most customized, identify key operational activities related to the management of product innovation design. Chapter 7 is about capacity planning and management. Upon successful completion, students will be able to define and measure capacity and appreciate the factors that influence it, assess the difficulties of matching capacity to demand, evaluate and apply strategies for matching capacity with demand in the short, medium, and long term. Analyze the impact of constraints and bottlenecks on a process and consider the theory of constraints. Outline different strategies available for both manufacturing and service operations. Explain and apply key forecasting techniques and understand circumstances when they are appropriate. Chapter 8 is about supply chain and supply relationship management. Upon successful completion, students will be able to describe the management of supply chains, assess purchasing strategies for different types of items, identify key issues in managing supplier-buyer relationships, identify key issues of third-party logistics, identify postponement strategies in supply chains, compare different strategies for supply chain efficiency and responsiveness. Chapter 10 is Lean Operations and Just-in-Time JIT. Upon successful completion, students will learn about lean system, lean production, classify push or pull systems. What is Kanban and how it works? Factor support to lean system. Limitation of lean management. Different methods to identify suitable production control system in operation conditions. Next chapter is project management. Students will be able to define activities in project management, use tools to plan and deliver projects on time, within budget, and to specification quality. Appreciate move to project-based organizations, aware of project management frameworks like Prince2. Describe the role of leadership. Describe various approaches to organizational design. Consider the tension between functional capabilities and project capabilities. Outline the role and competencies of a project manager. Chapter 12 is performance management. Upon successful completion of this last chapter, students will be able to examine the role of performance management in business performance, consider how a culture of suitable measurement can be established, and how sustainable performance can be embedded. Demonstrate a systematic understanding of the processes involved in the development and implementation of performance management system. Devise and use performance measures to inform the performance management system. Assess the benefits and drawbacks inherent in the implementation of performance management system. Analyze and evaluate different performance management methodologies. Synthesis and analyze data and information and evaluate its relevance and validity in the context of any given organization.